Alright, welcome back to another packet tracer. This is lab 9243 using the ping command. So this is another troubleshooting video where we will be pinging to identify which of these PCs is going to have an incorrect configuration. So much like the last one we did, the small business owner learns that the user of PC number 2 is unable to access a website. All PCs are configured with static IP addressing, and we're going to use ping to identify where the issue is. So first we need to verify connectivity. So we're going to get onto the web browser of each PC and check a website to see which one is actually having the problem here. So we are going to Cisco learn. Alright, so that one looks good. And that one looks good. PC2. Click and go. Press and enter. And looks like we have nothing there. And then PC1 goes right in there. So yeah, definitely verified that PC2 is the one that is having the problem. So we are going to go into PC2 to the command prompt, and we are going to ping the server at Cisco. And not much happening. So it looks like it is not getting anywhere. So there's definitely an issue where that is not even pinging anything. Alright, so if we check out PC1 here, go to the command prompt and ping the server. This is what happens, and it happens, you know, as soon as you press enter, it's pinged and back, all 4 sent, all 4 received. So that's what PC2 should look like. And so yeah, we'll make note of this right here. The IP address of the server 192.152 and 10. So we are going to try to ping that IP address instead of the name up here. We're going to try to ping the IP address from PC2. See if that helps us. Alright, so we did that, and it went through and pinged, everything came back, so that it was connected. So what that tells you is that it's able to reach the web server with its IP address, but not its domain name. So we need to look at the DNS server configuration on PC2. So we're going to look first at PC1 in the command prompt and check out because we know this one works correctly, we're going to check out the IP config settings in it. So for yeah, we're just looking at this. This would be another good thing to make a note of, because we're going to be checking it with all the other PCs here. So we're really just curious about that DNS server, so I'm going to write that one down. And then let's look at PC2. So the DNS server is the same. I'm sorry, the DNS server isn't the same. It is 191.15.2.5, and that's probably why it was missed to begin with. Is so many numbers, you gotta just pay attention to every single one, and it even slipped by me for a second there, but yeah, so that DNS server is configured wrong. So we are going into the config on the PC2, and it's right there on this first page right here on the global settings, and we'll switch that to 192 and go back to the desktop. But let's go through the web browser, see if we fixed our problem. And there you go, PC2, as you can see, now connected. Bad DNS server configuration, but it looks like the problem has been solved and they are back online. So that is all for this edition of Packet Tracer 9243. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.